Hey, Joe Zarzaur here. There are many kind of cases that the firm handles. There's a type of case that many people refer to as slip and fall cases. They're also known as premises liability cases. And the general understanding, I think, of most people is that if you fall or get hurt on somebody else's property, like at a grocery store or a ball field or a department store, and you trip and fall on something, whoever owns the property, whether it's a homeowner or a store owner or whoever, they're automatically liable because you fell and hurt yourself on their property. Well, that's not true. You have to prove basically that the person created a hazard, that they either created it and didn't resolve it, or that when it got created by somebody else, they didn't resolve it in time. So there is a lot more to consider in regards to premises liability cases and slip and fall cases than just whether you fell on somebody else's property. That's not enough. To have a premises liability case in Florida that's worth pursuing, you have to show that the property owner has fault, i.e. they did not remedy the hazard quick enough, like they let water sit on a floor for an hour before they decided to clean it up, or they didn't keep a house in a safe state of repair so that when they invited guests over, the stairs that they decided to patch up instead of fix caved in when somebody went upstairs. It's not automatic. It has to be evaluated. And on top of that, in Florida, in every premises liability case, the jury gets to be instructed on or given the option to place fault with the person that actually fell down. And then at the end of the case, the jury is asked, okay, if you found that the property owner was liable, you can also find that the person that was walking and they got hurt on the property wasn't paying attention where they were walking, and therefore that person can also have some share of liability. And so a jury can say, okay, it's 50% the fault of the property owner and 50% the fault of the person that fell and hurt themselves. Therefore, I was going to give them, $100,000. Now the court only gives them $50,000 because they subtract 50%. So premises liability cases are complex. They're not simple. If you're hurt on someone else's property and you have a significant injury, our firm can certainly look at those cases for you. Zarzaur Law on the web, Zarzaur Law, Law on the web.com, and 855-HIRE-JOE. Thank you.